all through and through we saw that, it makes a reference that interest arising in a contracting state. So when shall interest actually arise in a contracting state? The answer to this is given in Article 11, paragraph 6. Insofar as India-US treaty is concerned, and I'm sure there are several provisions similar to this under various treaties. What this says is interest shall be deemed to arise in a contracting state, let's say India, when the payer, the person making the payment, is the state itself, or a political subdivision, local authority, or a resident of that state. Right? Interestingly, if you note here, the sole criteria of interest arising in India is who is the payer. The purpose for which the payment has been used, whether it is used in India, outside India, is not considered insofar as this particular article is concerned. Right? Where, however, the person paying the interest, whether he's a resident of a contracting state or not, has in a contracting state a PE or a fixed base, and such interest is borne by such PE or fixed base, then such interest shall be deemed to arise in the contracting state in which the PE or the fixed base is situated. Right? Now what this means is that if in case 1, there is a foreign company, right? And there is a payer in India who is either the state, the political subdivision, the local authority, or a resident of that state, the interest made by them will be deemed to arise in India, right? But what the second provision says is that if there is a foreign company, this foreign company has a PE in India, which by the way does not fall under any of these clauses, right? If the interest is borne by this PE, right? Even if the payment is made by the foreign company outside India to another lender, it shall be deemed to arise in India.